Hey guys, it's the NFE Failure, and this is part 3 of my Mudkip only run. I will be doing a Trico and a Torchic only run. I'm going to be switching between weeks. So anyways, I'm going to give you a tour of the city. Focus on our heal. Okay, now that that's done, let's talk to you. So apparently there's someone called Wally. Cute. Whatever. Don't care. No, it's not. Okay, let's talk to you. Okay, it's reflected in the water. I don't care. You see what's in this house? You. That's me. I'm Norman's family. Yay. I don't know what that was. So anyways, this is the Pokemart. You can just buy all your classic stuff. And all that good stuff. Anyways, let's go over here. My god, no. Are you honestly kidding me? Let's talk to you. Who are you? Okay. We're just gonna speed this up because you all know how to catch a Pokemon. Anyways. So yeah. So this is Wally. Anyways. So we have to go to Rustboro Town and challenge Roxanne. He actually battles you. She's the 5th gym leader. So now let's see what's in this house. Okay, so this is Wally's house. Whatever. Let's get out of here. Who are you? I am talented. I'm taking on the entire Hoenn region with just a Mudkip. Anyway, I think there's some trainers down there. Yay, random guy running around us. Oh, whatever. You. Water gun. Dead. Yeah, we got up a level. Yeah. Let's talk to you. This is your first glimpse at the dreaded Pokemon Magic. It's evil. Whatever. Anyways, I'm just gonna take it down. See, that's how pathetic it is. That was a pathetic amount. By the way, what nature do I have? Careful. Okay, so we did that. Now this person's going to talk to us. Water gun. Dead. Yay. Yeah. Welcome to the Pellberg Woods. This is where I'm going to have to stop my video. So, check all